come back to the lab manual. That is, we are going to look for Linux run level and cron tab. So as I have explained you in the PPT about the run level and cron tab, we will go through this lab manual, and I want you people to execute the same for the lab. So here, let's start. Let's begin with the lab manual and let's see the objectives what we have to build for. So it will give you a description about the run level, how to change the run level and modify your services, and how to schedule the cron job. So that's what. And we need a prerequisite, that is the host name, host IP, your root admin name and password. You have to get a Linux instance for that. This is what a run level is, as I have already explained you. 0 stands for halt. The action will be shut down the system. 1 is for single user mode, that does not configure the network interfaces. It does not start the daemons or allow non-root logins, does not configure the interfaces or start the daemon. That is for second. Multi-user mode. Multi-user mode with networking is for 3, starts with system normally. Run level 4 is undefined, that is not used, user definable. Run level 5 is X11 as run level 3 plus a display manager. So there will be a UI with the multi-user mode with networking. Run level 6 is reboot, it reboots the system. These are different run levels, and okay, to view the run level currently, we go with the command run level. Next is all the scripts responding to each run level could be found in the special files present under the RC subdirectories, that is cd/etc/rc, and then you need to press a tab. So you can see rc0.d. So these are the different directories. At /etc/rc.d directory, there will be either a set of files named rc.0, rc1, and to rc.6. So let's go inside the directory cd/etc/rc.d ls. Then you can go for cd/rc3.d. Then after that, ls-l. ls-l will show you the scripts. So to view the default settings of run level, we will go with chk config space -list will give you the list. This will show you, this output shows SysV services only. To change the run level, just write init 3, then see the run level. And this is how we have executed our lab manual for run level and cron tab. And I follow, you do the same. Go through the lab, go through the manual, execute your file, make your documents, and please upload it to the LMS platform for Techpledge to be evaluated. And further, we'll move it on with the different lab manual. So let's stop over here.